Okay, friends, welcome back. We are solving foundation level questions for P3O examination, that to chapter 3, that is P3O designing model. Let's jump to the question number 126, and it says, which role has authority to champion a P3O model? Option A, head of program office. Option B, head of P3O. Option C, portfolio analyst. And option D, P3O sponsor. So it's a authority, and to champion the P3O, that is the one who bring the investment for the P3O, the one who lead the P3O. So that is the correct answer. Again, he is not managing day-to-day show. Day-to-day show is managed by B, but champion is always a P3O leader who bring the investment. So D seems to be the correct answer. Yes, P3O sponsor, direct and champion the establishment and evolving operations of the P3O model. So that is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. 127 says, which role should be a final point of escalation for a P3O which support all changes in the organization? Option A, main board director. Option B, portfolio analyst. Option C, finance and head of the P3O. So portfolio analyst and finance is this is a generic role, and this is a functional role. Head of P3O, that is a management role, but here the final point of escalation, it's A seems to be the most correct, main board director. So again, A seems to be the most correct answer. Yes, that because main board director should be the final point of escalation for a P3O which supports all change in an organization. Let's move to the next question. That question number 128, which role provide consultancy and advice to the project manager across the organization? A, portfolio officer, that is the data collector. Basically, they are not providing consultancy. B, portfolio analysts, that they are the analyzing project specialists. They are the subject matter experts providing training and consultancy. And P3O sponsor, they are the one who bring the investment, so which provide the consultancy and advice to the project manager across the organization. So C is the most correct answer. The project specialists provide the consultancy. Yeah, that is because the program and project specialists provide proactive knowledge management role, promotion program and project management methods, and provide consultancy services to the program and project manager to provide the project board. So C is the correct answer. 129 says, who does the P3O office structure should support by providing practical hands-on help? Who does a P3O office structure should support by providing practical hands-on help? So A, customer or user community, that's not the correct. Program or project manager, that seems to be the correct. Suppliers, again not the correct. Senior manager, again not to be correct. In the given context, B is the most correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, that is the most correct answer, that who provide the managers, program or project manager provides practical hand-on to help. So that is the correct answer. Let's move. Question number 130, which of the following roles helps to develop the portfolio, program and project dependency log? Option, again, that is the functional role. So planning and estimating, that may be the correct answer. B, change role, it's not related to dependency log. Issue managers, management is again issue related stuff. Information is inventory and asset management role. So A seems to be the most correct answer here, to create a dependency log. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Planning and estimating rule facilitate development of maintenance plans plus dependency log. So that is the most correct answer. So maybe you think that we are going too fast, but again, that is the rhythm. We just need to make it in the examination point of view. You have to attempt almost 75 questions within the 60 minutes. So you can't give more than 1 minute to one question, but for your understanding, you can take a pause, read the question, jump to the answer, and then again pause back and read and go through us. So now I believe you get that kind of learning curve that you can do it fast. Okay, hope you enjoy the session. Thank you very much for attending this.